Okay, first let me start off by saying I'm sorry. I should have added this issue to the Toshiba exit jams because that's pretty much where this is going to jam up. It's where somebody goes in and changes the paper size. And so you'll put your original in there. You'll hit start. And the machine will send the paper up, and then all of a sudden you get a jam. And it's an EO61. And it's right in here, just like my other video for exit jams, where we repaired up here. But this right here, it just jams up in the fuser for no reason. And that's going to be because somebody has changed the paper size. So we'll go into user functions. We'll come over here to drawer. And then you'll see where it says B4 or some weird size. You'll want to hit auto inch. Okay. And then hit OK. Now what that's going to do is it's anytime somebody changes the paper now, it's just going to automatically detect what size paper they're putting in there. If you want it, if you've got a bunch of people in the office and you need it to stay that way, go into admin and then punch in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then I believe we go down 1 and then we come over to drawer, paper size setting, prohibit. And we'll back out of that. Then we'll go into user functions, drawer, and now they can still change it to millimeter, but they can't change it to another size. And now when I go to put my original in there, I go to copy, print. Now she's not going to jam up. All right, that's it.